Tesla Cybertruck's air suspension spotted in potato video. Wow, I haven't seen the term potato video in a really long time.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means it was very low quality video shot on a potato.
Okay.
It's an old meme before you were born. So before you had really fancy phones, Mo, you had phones that shot crappy video.
Right.
You understand that? I know this is
Oh my God,
history
you
lesson
weren't
for you.
That's pretty bad.
This looks like a video that was sent to you SMS.
Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah,
gotta look
exactly.
far
Because
away.
I refuse iMessage. Yeah, that's me. Because I refuse to use an iPhone. That's me. Yeah, so definitely potato cam status. I wonder if there's like a potato cam filter. You know what I mean?
Maybe, yeah.
If you're really trying to obscure the look of something. But anyway, here is the Cybertruck rolling into the potato footage. Ooh, look at the way the color.
Oh, yeah,
That stainless never looked so good. It also looks super high up, much like the Hummer EV with the air suspension. When you have it in its highest setting, that's almost
shiny.
exactly what it looks like. Also, quick update on Cybertruck. We did a story recently about LiDAR showing up on the front of it.
Okay.
Apparently, that is no indication that they'll be embracing LiDAR on upcoming models, but instead, this is common practice for Tesla for training the optical systems. They get a LiDAR reference point for training their cameras.
Oh, okay.
And all their models do this in advance of release. So don't worry
It's like
too
training
much
wheels.
about that. Don't worry too much about that. The community comes in with these things. Like, listen, man, this is a community effort.
Yeah, we're wrong all the time.
Like, you can't be like Mo. This is really important that you are capable of recognizing that the sheer amount of data out there and the amount of time that you have to cover all of it. You need a community effort to get to the bottom of things, and that's what we're cultivating over here. You understand?
And the community's killing it.
Yes, that's what we're cultivating over here. You understand? You can, with many hands make light work. Is that right? I don't know, something like that. Maybe it's many rakes or many pitchforks. I don't know.
But that's pretty high.
Listen.
The ground clearance.
The internet at this point, I would say it's actually necessary that you have many eyeballs on it. Many trusting, contributing eyeballs that are willing to get to the bottom of it. I would say it's mandatory at this point if you want to get anywhere close to true on anything. But yes, the Cybertruck is looking badass as usual. The potato makes it look even better because I can't even see the mirrors on it.
You can't find the defects.
I can't see the mirrors anymore or the honker on the front with the wiper. So thank you, potato.
One giant pixel.
Thank you, potato. And it looks way better when it's in its fully lifted position. Still looks like a boat a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. I will drive my boat around town. And
I thought it had a strip light at the top.
they'll be stalking me in that thing.
Okay.
They'll be like, stalk the guy in the boat. Throw another air tag at him.
Yeah.
They're just whipping air tags at me as I roll past, trying to get it in the window is rolled down.
Right.
You're just whipping air tags, little
Tagged in the face.
paper airplane air tags on Chinese spy balloons just dropping out of the sky. Go ahead, Mo.
You can't believe you said spy balloon.
Go ahead, Mo.
Maybe that's the air tag that pinned you. It was just a balloon above your house.
You're irritated today. But I feel you. I hear it. I get it, man. Do you want to solve it right now?
What do you need me to solve?
The AirTag situation.
I'm solving an AirTag situation?
Yeah,
It's an unsolvable
if you need help from the community.
It's an unsolvable situation. They gave good suggestions, and that's what I appreciate about the community. Gave good suggestions, and they realize if you're coming at it from the right angle, Will, that's what matters
Okay. Yeah.
most. You're coming at it from the right angle,
Yeah.
obtuse triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle.
What's the other one? Acute?
Cute.
Easy, bro. Why was it that both of you loved that? You both were like, acute.
Yeah, we did.
At the same time, both of you were like, and don't forget acute.
I almost lost that one. That's like
Have to
deep in
represent.
my mind.
Don't forget acute.